During fasting, your body shifts from constant digestion to deep cellular maintenance, activating a process called autophagy, your cell's way of cleaning out old, damaged parts. This cellular spring cleaning is linked to healthy aging and reduced disease risk. By simply changing your meal schedule, you can unlock these powerful benefits. Intermittent fasting isn't deprivation, it's a strategic way to work with your biology for better health. Intermittent fasting is not about what you eat, but when. The most popular method is the 16-8, fast for 16 hours, eat within an 8-hour window. For example, finish dinner by 8 p.m., then eat again at noon the next day. This pattern mirrors our evolutionary past when food wasn't always available. Fasting gives your digestive system a break and lets your body focus on repair. You can adjust the eating window to fit your lifestyle, 10 a.m. to 6 p.m., or 1 p.m. to 9 p.m. The principle stays the same. It's a simple, flexible approach that taps into your body's natural rhythms. By reintroducing fasting, you help your body function as it was designed to. When you fast, your body shifts from storage mode to repair mode. Insulin drops, making stored fat more accessible for energy. Human growth hormone rises, preserving muscle and promoting fat burning. Fasting triggers autophagy, your body's way of recycling damaged cell parts. This process helps protect against diseases like Alzheimer's and supports longevity. Fasting also influences genes related to inflammation and stress resistance. Studies show it can boost your body's resilience and slow aging at the cellular level. The result? A multi-layered reset that optimizes your health from the inside out. Fasting is more than skipping meals. It's a biological upgrade. The 16-8 method is just one way to fast. There are others to fit your lifestyle. The 5-2 diet means eating normally 5 days a week, then restricting calories on 2 non-consecutive days. Studies show the 5-2 can improve insulin sensitivity and metabolic health, not just weight loss. Eat Stop Eat involves a 24-hour fast once or twice a week, challenging but effective for some. Alternate day fasting means fasting every other day, with some versions allowing a small meal. Research shows alternate day fasting can lead to rapid weight loss and improved cholesterol. The best fasting plan is the one you can stick with consistently. Flexibility is key. Choose the method that fits your routine and goals. Remember, fasting is a tool, not a rule book. Find your rhythm and make it work for you. To succeed with fasting, avoid these common mistakes. First, don't break your fast with sugary, processed foods. This spikes insulin and undoes your progress. Instead, break your fast with protein, healthy fats, and fiber. Think eggs, fish, nuts, or a big salad. Second, don't forget to hydrate. Drink plenty of water, herbal tea, or black coffee during your fast. Dehydration can cause headaches and fatigue, so keep fluids up. Third, listen to your body. If you feel unwell, adjust your fasting window or take a break. Fasting isn't one size fits all, especially if you have medical conditions. The goal is to feel better, not worse. Be patient, stay flexible, and let your body guide you. Intermittent fasting delivers real measurable results. Studies show you can lose 3-8% of your body weight in a few months, often from harmful belly fat. Fasting targets visceral fat, the kind linked to metabolic disease. It also improves insulin sensitivity, lowers blood pressure, and reduces inflammation, even without weight loss. Results vary, but most people feel more energetic, less bloated, and more in control of hunger within weeks. Focus on consistency and positive trends, not just the scale. Non-scale victories, like better mood and energy, are just as important. Intermittent fasting is a long-term strategy for lasting health. You don't have to dive into a 16-hour fast right away. Start with a 12-hour fast, finish dinner by 8 p.m., eat breakfast at 8 a.m. Eliminate late-night snacks and let your body adjust. Each week, extend your fasting window by an hour. Move to 13, then 14 hours. Pay attention to your energy, mood, and hunger. By week 3, try the full 16-8 schedule. Stay hydrated and track how you feel, not just your weight. Gradual adaptation makes fasting sustainable and comfortable. Listen to your body and adjust as needed. The goal is a healthy, energizing routine you can maintain for life.